Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad wrap only way. Start by shredding cooled cooked chicken into bite-sized pieces and place in a mixing bowl. Add diced celery, sliced green onion, and a generous spoon of mayonnaise. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Stir until evenly coated, then taste and adjust seasoning. Keep fillings slightly chunky for the best wrap texture and easy eating. Combine the chicken with mayonnaise and a bright splash of lemon juice to lift the flavors. Fold in chopped parsley or dill for a fresh herbal note, and add diced apple or halved grapes for a touch of sweetness and crunch. Stir gently to keep some chunkiness in the chicken salad rather than pureeing it. Taste and tweak salt or acidity so the filling stands up inside the wrap without becoming soggy. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes or novels while you snack, with glare-free pages and long battery life that keep you cozy in the kitchen. I find it handy when testing flavors and timing steps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lay a large wrap flat and place a leaf or two of crisp lettuce down the center to create a moisture barrier. Spoon the chicken salad in a line along the lettuce, keeping a clear margin at the edges to make rolling easier. Fold the bottom edge up, then tuck each side inward as you roll firmly to seal the seam. Cut diagonally for a neat presentation and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.